Good morning everyone and welcome to another vlog. Day 2 of the holiday. Whew. It's about
really hot.
It's about 8:30.
It's not that late, it's 8 o'clock.
No, it's later than that.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I better get moving then.
Yeah, it's about 8:30 and it is roasting already. Look at that ball. Sun. So I'm half asleep.
It's meant to be hot.
I've only just got up.
Yeah, there's not the wind today.
I slept well. I struggled at first because I was hot.
We're gonna get my ball.
I think today, after we all get motivated and get ready, we're going to go into Scarborough itself. Is that right? Yeah.
Yeah.
And have a look. But now we're going to go wake up. It's 20 to 10 and we're finally all washed, dressed and whatnot and ready to go into Scarborough. There's Bill, bless him. Did you sleep well, Bill? No, he didn't. Mum did apparently. Apparently she slept longer than she normally does. So, didn't you? Slept all right. You did.
Yeah, I did once got off. It took me a while.
It was hot though, wasn't it?
Yeah, but then I woke up chilly once.
Yeah.
It took all right though.
Right. Lock this caravan up. And off we go. We've arrived in. Oh, she's not thinking about Bill going through there with a mobility scooter. We've arrived in sunny Scarborough. Absolutely lovely it is. Look at that. Anyway, stinks like fish. I love it. Rachel wants to see the live shellfish. It says open to the public. Don't get to see the live shellfish. I think we're a bit late for it. So, but I can smell it. It smells good. I want some seafood, son. I want some winkles. How's Lacey Lou today? Good? You want the toilet? Well, you like always want the toilet. Are you alright, mate?
Yeah.
You sleep well? Good.
I slept well, but I kept needing the light on because I couldn't sleep. Only my lamp. That's annoying.
Right, Chloe?
Can you have the door open? Turn the light?
Shirley, sleep well?
Yeah.
Good boy. Right, folks, I've finally got yesterday's vlog edited and uploaded for you wonderful folks. Anyway, before we can do anything, we're in search of a toilet. Them steep steps. We can't really do it until Lacey's had the toilet, bless her, because no one can concentrate or look at anything. Chloe just wants to desperately play in all the arcades. But yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous, lovely. Zoltar,
Come on over.
make you big. Look at that, beautiful view.
That's where we need to be.
I'd say I like it here.
In a deck chair
On the
that
beach. Right, toilet done. Didn't you need it, Soph?
No.
We can finally go look round.
Before we turn out.
Okay, good boy.
We're going to look.
We're just going to look round. It's a beautiful place. I'd like to go right at the top there.
Where are we going before we look down?
I don't know. Can you get right at the top there? Can you? I'd like to go right up there. This place looks interesting, doesn't it?
Walk round it.
Is it?
Yeah.
My kids wouldn't like it. You'd get scared, wouldn't you? They've got the first ice cream, they're happy. Bubblegum flavour. Is it nice? Yeah, we've got to go and get them some sun cream though, haven't we? Look good? Woo! Oh, hi Sandra, are you in there too? Gotta get some seafood, haven't you?
Yeah, I had a mixture. Shall I show you which one I had? I had that one.
You had a mixture. I had some whelks. Ocean pinks for Liam. Lacey don't like them, do you?
I need to get them from it so on the floor.
They want it in the beach, so that's where we come, on the beach. As you see, it's busy. Busy, busy. Don't know where they've gone, do you? They've just disappeared. Come on, Clebo. That's it. They're in the sea. Is it cold? I'll sit up there, I think. We'll come to sit on here. Let's hope the lifeboat doesn't have to go out. And sit on the end here. It's nice. Beautiful.
So the tide's coming in.
Yeah,
Right up there.
that's true. You'll have to jump down. What are you doing there, Lace? What are you spelling? You doing your name? Kids love it. Look at that though. That's a lovely view, isn't it? Lovely view. Rachel's back. She's been to get Lacey some food because she's hungry. She got a hot dog. So was Liam. Surprise, surprise, Liam. Told her to bring me a drink back, so I've got a nice slush. Got a nice bug in there as well. Enjoying your holiday so far? Yeah. Bet you're loving this weather, aren't you? Yeah. Thought so. I know. I can't believe how warm it was this morning.
Oh, it's 7.
I know. Enjoying yourself?
Yeah, lovely.
I'd like to have seen you in shorts. Mine didn't fit. I bought some and they didn't fit. Yeah, I could go to Matalan, yeah. Having fun down there, you lot? Yeah? Rachel's back again. Every time she sits down, bless her, one of the kids wants. Chloe wants hot dog now. It's bigger than you, girl. Isn't it? Bigger than you. Crew will come back with some donuts. Oh, smell, guys, smell them. Oh, they're just wonderful. Thank you. Unfortunately, you're not having any. Dognut.
Very hot.
Look what Rachel's found and Lacey. This is a winkle. This is what I like to eat, seafood. But obviously, this is alive and not been cooked. That's definitely a winkle. That's what I eat, Liam.
What are they called?
It's a winkle. As Grandad would say, it's a snail.
Is it snail?
It's a bloody snail.
I thought it was something.
But when they're cooked and you buy them, which you can from here, well, Bridlington, you get like a little pin.
Oh!
Yeah, they're winkles. That's what they are.
I thought they were the same what you ate this morning.
No, they're whelks, what I ate this morning. What are they called?
What?
Barnacles. They're winkles. I can tell. Yeah, you get a little pin and fill it out. Comes out like a bogey. Well, I've just took Lacey to the toilet. She needed it again. And I got a bucket and spade because she accidentally broke Chloe's. So I've got another 2. But now I've come back and apparently we're going from the beach. Apparently we're going on one of them boats out there. £3 each. What? You alright? We're queuing up now for our boat ride. We could have gone on the pirate one. That was 15 minutes. But this one we're going on for the same price as half an hour, I believe he said. Should be back in a minute. She's cold? That's just been in the sea. Yeah, got a fairground over there, haven't we? Here we are. We're on the Queen's Ferry, aren't we? Look forward to it.
It's dizzy.
Wobbly.
Yeah. Does it make you dizzy?
Why do you think you're going to get seated?
Yeah.
Alright over there? You should be used to it, Bill.
I've got my hat ready.
Being in Navy.
We're on the boat now.
Hello. If you didn't know, Bill was a sailor boy, Navy boy.
It's really wobbly, but going on the sea,
1973 was it when you left? Wow. Here we go.
my cheeks wobble.
Makes your cheeks wobble? No.
Leave.
She's worried that it's making her cheeks wobble now. And we're off. Don't you like it? Do you? There's a lady diver.
Yeah, that's where I sit at night.
a bit. You scared, Soph? Shirley feels sick, don't you, Shirl? Turn round now. We're going back. Smile, Shell. Right, Chloe? You cold? She wants me to sit back down with her. Salt in your mouth? Want me to sit with you? Well, that was nice. Even though Sophie wasn't keen. Thought it was alright. We're heading back now. I think Chloe's tired, aren't you? She wanted a blankie. Back in the car now. Tickets ran out. I don't know what we're doing now. I have no idea where we're going. The birds have done that in our car. Hey?
You know where Aldi's is?
No, I'll put it on my map.
Okay, you go in front then.
Okay. I may have messed up. We said when we left where we was parked at Scarborough that we would go to Aldi's to get a few bits in. It's getting so expensive to eat out every day, and Bill said, oh, you lead the way, so I put it on the sat nav and I've ended up in this place, multi-story.
Head northeast on Somerset Terrace.
No, we're not using that now. You've sent us the wrong way, and now we're in a shopping centre. But it's not that, it doesn't matter, we're in here now. We're going to have a look at some shops as an Iceland as well, so it's normally Bill that messes up. It's me this time. Long way down there, isn't it? I don't know where they went then. They've left us. Left me and Bill. Let's go in the lift. So even though I got it wrong, I'll probably score brownie points now, because the girls will love it that they've got shops. Not that you'll like it, neither will I. No. Yeah. Women's shopping shops, yeah. You left us.
We just kept staying in the lift for ages, kept going up and down. We was in the lift for ages, up and down. Didn't know how to get out.
Toilet again, Sandra? Oh my. Yeah, no, in a bit. You want to go in the glass elevator? Well, we've found an Iceland's, so we're going to go in here and get a few bits, I think. As long as we get a pizza, Lacey will be happy, won't she? Iceland's. We're back at the van again now, having a nice hot drink, well needed.
We're off out in a minute to the beach.
So we're off out to the beach in a minute.
Beach?
Which beach?
Do you want to go to Filey?
This one or that one?
Or do they want to go to the paddling place
Do you want to go to the paddling pool again, where you went last night, or...
Do you want to go to the beach somewhere? Or...
Hey, we can't go out until we've had some tea, surely.
Oh, we're only having a quick wrap.
Chicken wrap. Right, we've eaten. Now we're going out again. Apparently we're going back to where we was last night, just down the road at Filey. It's that little outdoor pool. Kids want to go in that, so that's what we're doing. And here we are, back at this place. Nightmare to get park light, but there we go. He's got ice creams. I'm jealous. Nanny's going to treat me to ice cream and waffle.
I think it is. Let's have a look.
Just on the way back from the toilets yet again. This one's been to the toilet lots again today.
I had tummy ache in this morning and I just went for it.
She always goes to the toilet a lot though when we're out, don't you? But she's been a good girl. Done a few little things that's bugged her, like in the caravan, the extractor fan. Didn't like that, did you? No. Anyway, ice cream was nice. I had a nutty cone one, very nice.
I had a za.
Oh right. Yeah, so we're going to sit back near this paddling pool with these and just chill out.
It's warm.
Again, look at that lovely
How come the sea pushed down?
view.
It was there.
Because yesterday when we came was a bit later than this, I think.
I'm going to go in the room and get warmed up because it's
Painted all these benches by the looks of it today. It's fresh paint. Me and Liam were off for a little walk on the beach while the others sit round the paddling pool. The water was up here last night when we came, wasn't it? Yeah, I can imagine it is with no shoes on, Liam.
No. I mean in the paddling pool it's painful.
Is it? In the paddling pool it's painful?
Yeah.
Why?
The floor's like got spiky bits in there.
Oh, is it?
I got cut in there. It's warm in here.
Warm? Who's that ugly man up there? Ugly man. You going in, Liam? Going in, mate? Go on, further. Go on.
You know what this is going to drop the waves? There's no waves here.
Go right. Keep going. Keep going. Beautiful. And Lacey's put in the sand. Steve's Family Vlogs. Liam's loving the sea, but Nanny keeps shouting him. She's like, you're going too far. Evening. We're back again. We are indeed. I'm sat round the back of the caravan in the shade. The others have moved round the front in the sun. It's sun warm, but yeah, we're back. I think Chloe's had too much sun. She was a little sick in the car. She said she feels alright. She doesn't feel like she's got temperature or anything. She's had some cowpole and, you know, they've had sun cream on all day, but honestly it's been that warm. It's unreal. Definitely chose the right week. I think it's going to be nice all week until about maybe Thursday, Friday time might not be so great, or Friday, Saturday time. Yeah, majority of it's going to be beautiful, like it is. Well, as we're on holiday, I've been pretty naughty because we had chicken wraps earlier for tea. I'm hungry. I wanted to be naughty. I fancied a kebab. Well, I ordered one. They deliver it to the caravan. How perfect.
I didn't have chicken wraps.
No, you didn't, because she felt a bit shaky and horrible in the day. Ended up having sausage rolls. So then she wasn't hungry for tea, but she is now. So she's having some chicken, aren't you? Nanny's just had a shower. Yeah.
What?
Lovely so far, isn't it? These are all cold now, I reckon. I don't know if it's because I've caught the sun a bit or what. I don't know. Rightio, guys. Time's getting on. I've had my kebab. Didn't know what to make of it. It was alright, I suppose. But, yeah, I was a naughty boy. Anyway, trying to get Chloe settled. She's very tired, but she wants Sophie to come to bed, but Sophie don't want to come yet. So I said I'd come and lay here.
My friend that Granddad did look.
He did, didn't he?
Yeah.
Clever, isn't he?
The back.
Very clever.
Can you take a picture?
I will in a minute. Anyway, guys, we'll end this one here. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hope you're enjoying these vlogs. And we'll see you
in the next one tomorrow. Peace out.